Today we are going to do questions from exercise 12.1. Now the very first question is, give the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. Okay, means you will be given a sentence and you have to convert those sentences into mathematical form using variables, constant and arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation is plus, minus, multiplication and division. The very first question is subtraction of z from y. It's very simple. Subtraction of z. I'm writing here subtraction of z from y. Now what does it mean? It means that we have to subtract the z from y. I have to subtract this from y. So I write this y in the left side and z in the right side. This is the mathematical form of this. You get the algebraic form of this. Now let's do the second part. 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. Okay. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Okay. I'll tell you. I'm reading from here. Then I'll tell you one trick also. 1/2 of the sum of the 1/2 of what? Sum of x plus y. Okay. Or we can do one more thing. We can read from the back. Okay. See, y and x. Nothing is meaningful here. Then numbers. If you read this part, sum of numbers x and plus y. So this means x plus y. Now read from the starting. 1/2 of, instead of this part, instead of the underlined part, you read x plus y. 1/2 of x plus y. So you will what? 1/2 means you have to multiply by this one. Okay, so this is your answer. Now let's do question number 3 now. In question number 3, it is given that the number z multiplied by itself. It's very simple. Means a number z is given and you have to multiply by itself. Itself is z again. So z multiplied by z, that is z square. So the third will be z multiplied by z, that is z square. This is your answer. Now let's do one more question, the 8th one. I'll do the last one. 8th one. Now in the 8th one, it is given sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Okay. So sum of numbers a and b subtracted from product. Let us apply our trick. Let us apply our trick here. From their product. It will be from their product. Now, when you see this, now when you see this, subtract sum of numbers a plus b. Now let us start from the end. Okay, it is given their product. Product means what? Multiplication of something. What is that something? So something is this, a and b. So this means their product means a multiplied by b. Alright. Subtract and minus. Now sum of numbers. Sum of this means A plus B. Now instead of these underlined parts, you read these things. So instead of sum of numbers A plus A and B, you read A plus B subtracted from A multiplied by B. So the thing will be very clear. So you have to subtract this from this. This will be kept in the left side. That is A multiplied by B. And this part will be put in the right side. Since it is two numbers, because this whole part is subtracting, and this more than one number, we have to put bracket. And this you can write like this also: AB minus A plus B, like this. This is your answer. Now let's move to the next part. In question number 2, first part, it is given that identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by tree method. Okay. Let's take question number 8. X minus 3. I have to show by tree diagram. So I told one. It has got two terms. I have to tell terms as well as factors. Remember, factor is always of terms. Factor हमेशा किसी terms का होता है. तो if it is given to find out factor only, then you have to find out terms, whether it is asked or not. मुझे factor निकालने की terms को निकालना ही पड़ेगा. Now the term is what? X and this is minus 3. Okay. Since this is only one thing, so factor will be denoted by this broken line, dotted line. This is x only. And this is constant, so there is no factor of this. You do not write this. Now let's move to the next part. Question number B. 1 plus x plus x square. I have to find out the factors. First of all, terms. Term is 1 x square. Now factors. In the factors, it will be here it will be x only, and here it will be x and x. So these are the factors. To know the meaning of factors and terms, you watch my video previous one. This is the first video on this chapter, which I have shared in your group. There are three terms. One is this, second is this, third is this. Minus AB 2b square minus 3a square. Now it's time for writing factors. These are terms. Now for factors, you can write it like here you can write it like minus a and b. These are the factors. And for here, you can write one more thing. Since it is a here, you can put minus numbers. And here, two B and B. Here it will be minus 3A and A. These are the factors of these things. Now the second G part, okay. Here also we can take draw a tree method also, tree diagram, or you can make a box also for this. Okay, you can make a like terms and then factors. Terms are what? 3 by 4x and 1 by 4. These are the two terms. These are the two terms, and the factors are 3 by 4x, and this is what you can say as 1 by 4. 1 by 4, this is the factor. Now question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients. Okay. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constant. Means I have to find out the numerical coefficient of the term, उस term का other than constant, means that is not constant. So here if you see this is a constant. So I have to take this term, and then I have to tell the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient means the constant which is attached with this term. So this is your term, which is this. You can say a term with constant also. Term without terms without constant. Terms without constant is minus 3t square. These are terms without constant, and the coefficient, or you can say numerical coefficient, is minus 3. So this is your answer, minus 3. Let's do one more question on this. Let's do the sixth part. 1.28 and plus 0.8b. If you see both the terms, there are two terms, one is this and the other is this. In both these terms, there are variables. Okay, so we'll take both the terms. Now the coefficients are found, numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients are, one is 1.2 and other is 0.8. Now 4a part, 4 question A part. Identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. It's very simple. Y square x plus y. This is the question. I have to identify the term which contains x. So this is the term which contains x. And what is the coefficient of x here? This is 1. So your answer is y square. Like these are very simple questions. You can do it. One more question. Let's do it. This is the seventh part. Question is 7x plus xy square. I have to find out the coefficient of, first of all, the term which contains x. So here is also x, here is also x. The coefficient will be what? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 7 and y square. Okay, so these two are the things. Now, question number 6. In the question number 6, we have to state whether given a pair of terms is like or unlike. Okay, like and unlike, I told you. Like means the terms which is having the same variable part. Means the variable part will be exactly same. The first question is this: 1 and 100. See, there is no variable, so they are said to be like. Okay, like. These are like numbers. Second, minus 7x and 5 by 2x. If you see this, the variable part, okay, the variable part is exactly same, so they are also like. Now let's do one more question, the fourth one. The fourth one is this: 14xy and 42yx. Now if you will see this, look at the variable part, xy and yx. They are exactly same. Why? X is here also, x is here also. No matter it is coming first and this here it is coming second, taking second position. Why? The y is power 1 and y is power 1. So they are what like. Let's take one more question. The last question I am taking, the fifth one. It is 4n square p and 4n p square. Now you see this, the terms. Here the n is 2, means the power of n is 2, and here it is what 1. From there only you can conclude that this is not like, they are not unlike terms. Now based on this video, you can do all the questions of exercise 12.1. Okay. Now tomorrow we will discuss the last topic, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression.